Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App not letting me have a sponsor in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to open your Cash App application, then tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, when you are here on this page, you can either tap on the option of edit profile, or in the accounts and the settings, you can select the option of personal information. So when you are inside the personal information, you just have to simply check the birthday entered during sign up. The sponsor feature only works for the teen accounts. So if the birthday accidentally shows the account holder is already 18 or older, Cash App is going to remove the sponsor options automatically because the account no longer qualifies for the teen supervision. So this is one of the most common reasons why the feature disappears completely. Now, if your account is under 18, just make sure that your phone number is verified, your email is also confirmed, and the account setup was finished fully. Partially created accounts sometimes fail to show the sponsorship options correctly until basic verification is completed. So after updating the information, you just have to fully close the app and then reopen it before checking it again. So now over here, you can just simply scroll down and look for the option of families. Inside it, you can tap on the option of invite sponsor, then enter the sponsor's cash tag, phone number, or the email address which is linked to their Cash App account. Now make sure that the sponsor accounts belong to someone over 18 with a fully verified account. If the invitation details are wrong, Cash App may fail silently without showing a proper error. So after doing this, you can check both the accounts carefully and then resend the invitation properly in order to restore the sponsorship features in 2026. Thank you.